Hey guys, today let's see how to disable the auto correction in the Samsung keyboard. So let's go to settings. So you can find the general management in here, but if I use in another phone, let's search it, language and import. See, first one. So in the default keyboard, if you are using the Samsung keyboard, you can go for the on-screen keyboard and choose Samsung keyboard and go for the smart typing. Go for the second line. You can disable this. So disabling this option will make you use your own words without the auto correction. So now you can see the auto correction has been disabled. So that's how you make the Samsung keyboard's auto correction off. Goodbye guys, thank you for watching.